Which choice completes the text with the most logical transition? Phytoplankton play a crucial role in the ocean's uptake of carbon from the atmosphere. When alive, these tiny marine organisms absorb atmospheric carbon via photosynthesis. Blank after they die, the phytoplankton sink to the sea floor, where the carbon in their cell gets stored in sediment, preventing it from cycling back into the atmosphere. So option choice A says specifically. This is incorrect because specifically implies that this third sentence will go into more details about what was said in the second sentence, but this is not the case, because the second sentence discusses what phytoplankton do when they're alive, which is absorb atmospheric carbon through photosynthesis, and then the third sentence goes on to describe what they do when they die, which is two different things. So specifically would not make sense here, and therefore it is incorrect. B. By contrast. This is incorrect because by contrast implies that there is a difference between these two sentences that this third sentence will highlight, but this is not the case because the two sentences are focused on the same topic, which is how phytoplankton play a crucial role in the ocean's uptake of carbon from the atmosphere, and they do this both when alive and when they are dead. So there is no contrast here, and therefore B is incorrect. C, nevertheless. This is incorrect because this implies once more a contrast, but as before there is no contrast between these two sentences, and therefore, nevertheless, does not make sense here. D. Then. This is the correct answer because then properly implies a chronological sequence of events, where the second sentence highlights how phytoplankton absorb atmospheric carbon dioxide through photosynthesis, and then the next step is what they do when they're dead, which is they sink to the sea floor and the carbon in their cells gets stored in sediment. So then properly highlights this sequence of events, and therefore D is the correct answer.